How to read deleted WhatsApp messages. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you check on the connection, tap on the WhatsApp application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and simply select on settings. As you select on settings, scroll down and tap on the option of storage and data. Now make sure that you have backed up all your data. So simply what you can do is here you can simply select on manage storage and you can check if you have already stored it. If not, you can just go back, tap on the option of chats, simply scroll down, and here we have the option of chat backup. So tap on chat backup and make sure that you have toggled on the option of backup over here. So when you do backup, then you can read the deleted messages as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.